Could you imagine a world where machines not only mimic human intelligence, but possess an intelligence that is indistinguishable from ours? Welcome to the intriguing realm of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. In the next few minutes, we dive into a journey through the mind-boggling world of AGI. We'll explore what it is, how it's different from generative AI, when experts anticipate its arrival, and how it might enhance our lives. We'll also delve into the sectors most likely to benefit from AGI and the potential drawbacks of such a technology. Finally, we'll reflect on the readiness for an AGI future and the skills needed for the AGI era. AGI refers to a form of artificial intelligence that can understand, learn, and apply its intelligence to solve any problem, much like a human being. This is a stark contrast to specialized AI designed to perform specific tasks. AGI has the ability to reason, plan, and exhibit creativity across a wide range of domains. This leads us to the question, how does AGI differ from generative AI? While generative AI focuses on creating new content, such as text, images, and music, based on its training data, AGI outshines by being capable of generalizing its learning and applying it to tasks it wasn't specifically trained for. This highlights AGI's versatile and adaptive nature, as opposed to the more task-specific nature of generative AI. The timeline for AGI's development is a topic of debate among experts. Predictions range from a few decades to even longer, given the complex challenges involved in replicating human-like intelligence. AGI has the potential to simplify and enrich our lives in countless ways, from automating complex tasks, enhancing decision-making, fostering innovation, to providing personalized solutions to everyday problems. AGI could free up time for human creativity and interpersonal connections. The top 5 sectors that could reap the most benefits from AGI include healthcare, education, environmental management, transportation, and manufacturing. Each of these sectors could see monumental improvements in efficiency, innovation, and personalization. However, AGI is not without its potential drawbacks. Job displacement, ethical and privacy concerns, the risk of dependency on technology, and ensuring AGI's decisions align with human values are among the potential negative impacts. With these insights about AGI's potential and implications, we encourage viewers to share their perspectives. How prepared do you feel for the changes AGI could bring about? It's crucial to start developing the skill sets that will help you adapt to changing job profiles, as AGI is likely to significantly transform the employment landscape. Thank you for embarking on this journey through the fascinating world of AGI with us. We appreciate your attention and encourage you to engage by commenting, liking, and sharing this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more informative and enlightening content. Thank you.